Hi, also this is the video about the how to create a SCORM courses inside our LMS. So this particular request was pending for a long time from many of our customers. Uh, Typically, what everybody does is they use Articulate or even Captivate to create the SCORM and then upload it here. So we were getting many requests from many of our customers that there should be a provisions to create a SCORM inside the LMS itself. So this particular video is going to talk about that. So we'll continue and I will showcase you the things. How are you going to do it? Okay. Okay, then so let's start off. Okay, so whenever any administrator or tutor is inside our LMS course, on the more we are going to have a menu called create SCORM. Or so we have a workspace for all the author or teacher. They can create as many SCORMs they need in this particular course, and then they can publish it. So the best way to give this demo is I'm going to showcase you an existing demo that we have already created and explain you how it works and everything. Okay, so because it is already created, so I'm able to say this entire thing. Okay, but I'm going to explain you each of the important items and blocks that you can utilize here. And it's an integrated AI solution, so you will be able to utilize all our AI tools in any of these blocks. Okay, so let me first explain you on the left hand side what all things we have like heading, like this, text. You can see this text block, statement and call out. Statement and call out is something like here, you can see this. Then list and bullets. So for the list and bullets also, this is a list and bullets item. Divider. Divider is something like between two blocks if you want to introduce a divider kind of a thing, a line. Then continue and page break. So for example, like let's say in a particular section you have many items, in between you want to introduce a page break or a continue button. Then you can also have one button concept where you can add any links or things like that. Then on the left hand side we have your media, like if you want to add one image, just an image, or if you want to introduce image plus text. Then gallery, audio file, you can upload a video or you can embed any URL for the video. Then for the interactivities we have accordion, so you can see here, so these are like accordion. Then tabs, click to reveal, like there is an image box, you are clicking on it and the information will get revealed. Then we have timeline and steps, so that also we have. Yep. The flashcards, so this is the flashcard example. Then this is the tabs with a different design. Then a knowledge check, and of course the flashcards we have seen. Now let's see one by one each of the blocks. And of course uh, we have one cover page, so you can actually choose how does the cover page design will be, like a full width image and then overlay text, left hand side image and text on the right, image on the right, text on the left. So you'll be able to do all those. So you can give the title, then the introduction and the description, then your image. Okay, then we do have something called branding concept. So branding means for your entire course you can also set up what would be the color mechanism, the button style, the font style, then even the text spacing, if you want to make it more cozy or compact or with more space. And then if you are using a knowledge check, you can specify what is the percentage which will be counted for the passing grade. Because we are creating a SCORM, so that score will go to the LMS as well. So now let's say I want to add one banner. So the moment you are clicking on here, so it clearly shows you new blocks from the palette inserts here. So if I am going to introduce any kind of image concept or image and text, I can simply click on here. See, the image box has come. Now on the right hand side, you have your entire metadata and other elements to put up on the image. So I can upload an image, I can give alt text, I can give caption, I can choose whether it's going to be a full width or large, medium, and this thing. So let's say I'll just pick up any demo image for the time being. So I'll use this image. Okay, so this has come rather, and if I want, I can delete it. I can move the blocks down, top. I can move the blocks to a different section also. See, I have all these three sections, so I can move it to any of this section. Then we have one very good concept of the textual part. So if I click on here, you will see I have added all the information. Then I have a concept of AI. Because it's a list, so I can click on it here. Currently, it says there are 5 bullets, but I'm not happy. I can choose the number of bullets. I can change my tone, friendly, formal, enthusiastic, plain, simple, and then I can give a command, and similarly I can click on generate. It will generate the things. So it can rewrite, it can shorten, it can expand, it can make bullets, it can fix the tone, it can correct the grammar, everything it can do it within this particular block. Then for the text I've shown you, then we have a concept of, as I was telling you, image and text. So I can choose the image the way I want. Then I can choose this kind of design concept, like text over image on left, text over image centered, image text, image on the left and text on the right. So I can choose any of these design and use it. Then let's say I'm going to go for one accordion concept. Now here accordion also, you will be able to put up all the particular heading of the accordion, the particular text to be shown, and then you have the design principles here. Okay, now we have an option for each of the the blocks or informations. If you want, you can also choose animate on scroll. Okay, so we are going to introduce more animations here slowly. Then of course the call out, once again you can choose whether it's an info call out or a note or a quotation or even a warning or a big text. Then the knowledge checks. So you can actually specify the question, you can also put up all the options. If you want, you can add more option, you can select which is the right answer, you can also give the feedback. So that way you will be able to put up the knowledge checks. Of course you will be able to embed any video. So we have a video, so either you can upload it here or you can simply embed from YouTube or any other links that you have. Then you have a flashcards. Once again, you can give a card image also, or you can simply keep it blank. Then you have this card 1, the respective text which will be shown on the flip. Then you can choose the card design as well. So it's a carousel or a flip on click, flip on hover, grid the cards, image front, text back. So all these designs you have that you can choose, and you will be able to create the things. Then of course once again we have the tab. So the concept remains same. You create your tab text, tab title and tab information, and then you can choose your design. and accordingly it will be coming up over here. As I said, even on the accordion also you have various designs, like right side the plus and minus icon, the arrows, 1 to 3 numbered accordion, even separate cards, flash borders. So you will be able to do all this. Even in the bullet points also we have all these options, like plain icon bullets, numbered bullets, 2 column, everything is available. You have to just choose the design, put up the information and do it. The most important part is that in all this information we have the AI button. So using AI you will be able to get a lot of things that you can, you want to do. Even for image also we have, you can actually give one option here, like whatever prompt you give, like create an image to showcase these things. All these are absolutely possible to do it here. So the best part is, once your course is ready, you can just do a quick preview so you can see how it will look like. Then you can go inside. So this is the continue or the page break button that I was telling you. So you can give your information, whatever text you have given. So here is your accordion. Then here is your knowledge checks. Then here is your various other elements that you have added here, like the video, like the flip card, flipping card effect. Then you have your then once again accordion of number accordion. Then you have summary concept. Then you have once again a video, and at the end the course will be complete. Okay, so this is the complete overview of the things. If you want to get a demo of it to work inside your LMS, you can contact us. We can give you the information and you can play around. Once it's done, you have to do is you have to just simply click on publish. That's all. So the moment you click on publish, this particular course will be published inside the LMS course as a SCORM package. So the moment I click on it, it's created. I can go inside open SCORM and then see it. So you can see here. So it's all depends on how I am planning to showcase it to the learner. No, I'm going to log in as one of the learner and showcase you how does it look like. Okay, so I'm logged in as one of the learner. I'm going to just click on the how to conduct an effective job interview. Okay, not this one. Yeah, so I am looking at a learner point of view. So you can see here, let me just close this and let me start again. So I'll be able to see all the details. Then I can move on. Then I can see whatever is put up here. Finish. So I can review it, or I can go back to my course.